Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to get verified on WhatsApp Business. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the WhatsApp Business application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and link your number to your profile. But guys, if you're having a hard time doing this, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how-to videos on WhatsApp Business where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the down bar, we have the updates, we have the calls, we have the tools, chats, and the settings option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get verified on WhatsApp Business. It is pretty simple and it takes just a few steps, so you'll do it in no time. So you need to access your WhatsApp's Business Manager account and go to Business Settings, which is in the Settings option. Then go to Security Settings Center, go to Security Center. When you're there guys, you need to, from the Business Verification section, click the Start Verification. Select the country in which your organization is registered, enter your business legal name, address, business phone number, and website, and that's guys basically how you can do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this guys really helps us grow this channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do these few steps for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. As I said, I hope that you found it informative. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.